Dino chores.
Let's do our chores and get things done. Even dinos make it fun. We help at home, me and you. With dino friends, we'll see it through. Chores, chores, stomp the floor. Help your family, help some more. Roar, clean, make it fun. Dance around and pick up everyone. Picking up everyone, let's go. The T-Rex wakes up, rubs his eyes. He brushes teeth, no big surprise. Brush your teeth, chicka-cha. Brush your teeth, chicka-cha. He grabs his pack, puts on his shoes. Then he knows just what to do. You're gonna tie your shoes. I said you're gonna tie your shoes. Chores, chores, stomp the floor. Help your family, help some more. Roar, clean, make it fun. Dance around and pick up everyone. There's Stegosaurus. Stego stacks his toys with might. He puts them back just right. Stack those toys. Come on, we're gonna stack those toys. He takes his books that belong on the shelf, and he knows he can do it by himself. Books on the shelf. Let's get the books on the shelf. Chores, chores, stomp the floor. Help your family, help some more. Roar, clean, make it fun. Dance around and pick up everyone. Wow, check out the velociraptor. The raptor helps set plates and cups. He wipes the spills, he cleans them up. Wipe those spills. Let's wipe those spills. He waters plants and feeds the pet. Best little helper you can get. He's gonna water the plants and then feed the pets. Chores, chores, stomp the floor. Help your family, help some more. Roar, clean, make it fun. Dance around and pick up everyone. Brachiosaurus is getting tired. Brachio yawns and brushes slow. Puts on jammies, ready to go. He puts on his jammies. He puts on his jammies. He reads a book and snuggles up so tight. He did the chores, now it's good night. Say good night one more time. Let's say good night. Chores, chores, dino chores. Tomorrow we'll help some more. With dino friends it's fun to do. Now cheer it loud. Roar! Me too. Great job, friends. Way to do those chores.